Alright guys, so on this video I am trying to get my mixture correct for the cement. This is my first time ever working with cement. I actually had to YouTube the video, I had to go read the instructions on the bag. It was just a hot mess. I had my mother-in-law helping me hold down the barrel so I could mix it in there. Before she got there to assist with holding the barrel, it was a pain in the butt, and I actually dumped like the whole thing into there and I started mixing and whatnot, and it was really hard. But once she got there, then I just started using just a little bit to try and get the right mixture. So when you're mixing this, you want it like oatmeal, and I love oatmeal. You want it kind of thick, not too thick and not too watery. It's just like a right mixture, you know. Right now it's too watery, so I know on this I'm gonna have to eventually add some more cement. And it did help using a shovel to really get in there and just get all the cement mixed up with the water and everything else. So you'll see me going back and forth. So right now I'm grabbing the cement because I can tell it's too watery, so I only want to put a little bit. And it's a good rule of thumb is just work with a little bit of cement. Don't do too much. Don't pour the whole bag in, because you have to work really quick with this cement. If you don't work really quick with it, it won't come out right. It's all mushy, or it's too watery, too dry. It's just not mixed properly. So like right now I can tell it's getting there. It's starting to look like that oatmeal I was talking to you guys about. But you really want to get underneath there with the shovel. You really want to scrape as much of that cement possible. And it did help to have the shovel, and then to have this little hand shovel here that I got from Home Depot. But yeah, now see that mixture, that looks a lot better. It's really getting it there. But yeah, with the barrel you want to make sure you get all the sides of it and really get in there and get it all together. So we still thought it wasn't the right mixture just yet, so added a little bit more, especially on the sides. I noticed all my water was just hanging out on the edges. It didn't really want to mix well. Yeah, and I see now in the middle that's starting to look like it's supposed to, like the cement. The right mixture with the water and the cement ratio. But yeah, it's one hell of a workout though. Good God Almighty, you're talking about a full-on upper body workout. It was something else. I have to say the hardest day was that day for the cement. It wasn't using the one-man auger. It was mixing the cement with the shovel, picking up that bag. The bag is an 80-pound bag. I got it from Walmart. I got it from Home Depot. I believe I think it was like $6 for that bag. I don't know, I'll have to look it up again, but I will put it down in the description, the link and all that fun jazz. But yeah, now see, it's starting to look like some concrete there. It's like great concrete mixture. So first, I did lay out the line. I didn't get to record it, but I do have an orange line running back behind these beams, so that way I knew I could line them up. And then I had my leveler, as you can see there, trying to make sure I get that air bubble right in between those two lines. That way I know it's nice and straight. And also a good rule of thumb, check the sides of it. Make sure it's standing up nice and straight. You don't want it lopsided or anything like that. We won't build a cricket or a wavy fence. We want a nice straight fence. So it was really nice mixing inside the barrel, because you get to wheel the barrel over there and just dump all that stuff. Get your little shovel and make sure you even it all out on the back side, because notice it's all running on the front side, but eventually we got it all on the back side as well. So we just smoothed it out with the little hand shovel, and we just let them sit. So once we let it sit overnight, that day we were supposed to put up the railings, but I was already beat. My hands were sore, my upper body was sore. I had one hell of a workout. Also, you want a good rule of thumb after you set that cement before it gets solidified. You definitely want to go out and make sure it's nice and leveled. So this is day 3. I'm actually going out and I'm checking the cement, and I want to make sure that cement's nice and dry, and that it was still level. And that day that the day that I did it, it was really windy, so it was pretty nice though. It wasn't too bad, but good God Almighty, it was one hell of a workout. So it was nice. But yeah, guys, if you got any questions, comments, concerns, please leave them down below. And as always, thanks for watching.